I am assisting this Photo Expo 2003 happening in a wonderful way, highly successful and highly purposeful. That's what we intend to achieve by organizing this exhibition. And it's a B2B exhibition, and it is visitors are going to be photographers, videographers, and people related to broadcast and film field. So ఎవరైనా ఇమేజింగ్ ఫీల్డ్ అంటే కనుక ఇది రిలేటెడ్ అండి. ఫోటోగ్రఫీ అంటే ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ సామాన్య ప్రజానికం కూడా దీనికి ఎంతో రిలేటెడ్ అయినప్పటికీ ఇది మన ఫోటోగ్రఫీ చిత్రాలు చూపించడం కాకుండా ఫోటోగ్రఫీ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ అండ్ యాక్సెసరీస్ అండ్ ఫోటోగ్రాఫర్స్కి నైపుణ్యం పెరగడం ఎలాగా, how to increase your knowledge and skills and to go to the next level and to go to the world class photography ఎలా ఉంటుంది, అది ఎలా చేయాలి అది తెలియడం కోసం మనం ఈ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ఆర్గనైజ్ చేస్తున్నామండి. మనం there are about 100 companies are participating, but they represent more than about 800 to 1000 products. So a person who comes to the exhibition, he can see the updated and innovative products to improve his business. Along with the exhibition, we also having seminars and workshops, and there are speakers from Scotland, from Glasgow College, which is international popular for photography, and that professor is here. And apart from that, there are speakers from famous photographer Sirish Karale is there, and Mr. Viren Satra from Monarch Vision and video editing, he is taking a program, and Mr. Oscar Priyanand is taking on color management, and it's all useful for photographer and videographer. Idoka education and entertainment kind of tour, and a lot of cultural programs we arrange, because photographers entertainment capture చేస్తారు కానీ they don't entertain themselves. And idoka education తో పాటు edutainment లాగా అన్నమాట అండి, వాళ్ళకి ఉపయోగపడేటటువంటి ఎగ్జిబిషన్. We have been conducting this exhibition since 2002. It is the 12th exhibition. Is 8th time we are doing in Hyderabad, and we did 4 in Calcutta, Bangalore and Thrissur also in Kerala. So we used to do once in 2 years, but the technology is changing so fast, then we had to do it 1 year, because even 1 year you can see that 1-2 versions of the camera would change within this 1 year. So we had to bring the frequencies to the 1 year. Yes sir, there is the biggest market in India about photography or videography is wedding photography. And people are per capita income has increased, and people also spending to the occasions like a wedding and birthday and any function. People if they find value or if they want to celebrate, I think the income levels have increased, so that has actually helped many photographers to grow in this wedding photography market. And after India, Andhra Pradesh is one biggest industry for wedding photography. And it's actually a great opportunity for photo and videographers to really improve their skill, knowledge and ideas, because it is not easy to interact with such resourceful people who are coming to the exhibition. Even the company officials or the faculty, it is to build network and friendships with the fellow photographers, because each photographer is unique, and 99% photographers are not businessmen. It is their passion. But just passion alone is not enough. You also should know some business skills, because you are running a business. So we have taken care of all those seminars and these 3-day visit, because it's not just 2 hours movie like come and go and see some stalls and go. But be here, interact with them, go little deeper, and I can tell you that this 3-day investment will really take your business to the next level. Yes sir, so we have arranged, because about 30-40% of the visitors may come from other places, they will not have the vehicles. So from LB Nagar to Film City, we have free buses, and from Film City main gate, inside gate there are registration center. From there inside there are shuttle service every 10 minutes. So these are all services are free. So first day, if you have pass or an ID card or an official SMS from Villaart, it is free. And the second day or third day, 100 rupees per day. If you take combo ticket, it's just 150 rupees. Minimum 20,000 visitors will be there. And from at least 5,000 visitors this time they are expecting from other states, because of the venue attraction and also value for the seminars and workshop. So we want to make this as one of the most prominent and premier exhibition in India. That's what our target is. So we have worked with integrity, and we are genuinely adding value, and it will be win-win for everybody, including exhibitor, visitor, vendor, and as an organizer, Villaart.